Alright, here comes the before. The whining noise you hear is the plastic rubbing on the chain. Right here. So the engine is all taken apart. All the chains are off. The fan off sprocket here, the exhaust cam over there. I took the intake out, changed the valley pan right here, put new gaskets on the water pipes over there, cleaned everything up, and basically this is what was left. I was lucky, but basically the plastic just completely disintegrated and fell off, and that's basically the guide material that just drops off. So now comes the fun part of rebuilding. Ja, dank u. Jo, ga maar. This isn't my engine, but gives you a good idea on the noise that mine was making. Mine was actually a little bit louder than this one. So this is my new engine sound after the Vanos rebuilt units and new timing chain guides, new chains, new tensioners, basically the whole works. It's very nice and quiet. The only thing you hear is the injectors clicking, so I couldn't be happier.